Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Firstly, the market again opened on a very green note, almost 180 points up on the Sensex, followed by overnight European markets, which closed up by almost 1.5 to 2%. Yesterday, Dow Jones, the US markets were closed on a holiday of Republic Day out there, or you can say Independence Day. So we couldn't take cues from the US markets, but today the Asian markets were trading in the green. This has led to another second day of closing almost up to 200 points. So let me take you to the stocks which are doing good in terms of Sensex. Gainers valuation are Hindalco, we have Tata Steel, Jindal Steel and Power, we have Reliance doing good. So these stocks are doing tremendously well in the span of 2 days. Today too, there are certain stocks like JP Associates which took a beating about 10%, 11%. Day before yesterday is up by another 5.5%. After bottom up fishing is seen in those stocks which have been hammered by the investors as well as the traders. Friends, we have a couple of stock updates which we have news. As we can say, Soba Developers is up by another 2% now because the results came out to be better than estimates. Now this has led to a better realization this quarter for Soba Developers, which is the sales went up 26% on a YOY basis. So this has again led a good example that we are seeing some revival in the real estate sector, which was battered or hammered on higher interest rates and poor sales. Coming back to the stocks, like Deepak Fertilizer is one of the stock which is in news, has acquired a 24.5% stake in Mangalore Chemicals, that is Vijay Mallya owned. Now, as per the management, this is not a hostile takeover, but a strategic buyout, which is seen as a good investment or an expansion drive by the Deepak Fertilizer. Valuations are somehow approximate to 150 crores. So that's one stock which is in limelight. Whereas HUL is off 4% of days high. Yesterday was the closing date. It's almost subscribed by around 67%, 65 to 67% would be the Unilever stake in HUL after the offer and the acquisition is over. So almost about 19,000 crore worth of inflows will come in the market, which will strengthen the Indian rupee. So that is around $3.5 billion. Coming back to the Forex update, 60.18, 60.25 is the rupee vis-a-vis dollar rate. We need to watch out if today the rupee strengthens, that means the Unilever's inflows have come in, which might result in a temporary strengthen to the rupee. That's all the updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.